So I studied fine arts. I'm from Nelson originally, that was where I grew up. Love Wellington a lot. It's kind of, it's the first home that I've carved out for myself. I grew up as a musician, touring. I really wanted to study music. Nothing jumped out at me, so maybe I'll look at doing art. Seemed like there would absolutely be the time and place to be doing, crazy performance art, doing weird shit. I love being able to sit in there and have a conversation with someone and trying to understand where it is in the world that we as queer people are. Oh, I just love being in my studio. I love being able to staple bags of my own hair to the wall and have several of my teeth lying on the table. The fact that I can come in at 7 o'clock at night, be there till 11 working on my own personal work, developing my studio practice. Having your own space to do that and do that surrounded by your peers as well is fantastic. Nothing occurs without the influence of around you. When you're surrounded by other people making fucking great art, you can't not be making great art. It's been a confronting time. It's been challenging for sure, but deeply fulfilling as well, yeah. I can't see myself doing anything else. There wouldn't be a point in doing anything else. I'm very proud that I'm here. As a full stop point there, I'm really, really proud of myself for making it here, for being here, yeah.